In this video, I would like to show you how to make 5K per month on Whop. Today, we're not gonna be talking about the clipping section, but today we're gonna be talking about the content create section. In the leaderboard, you can see all of these people who is making a big bread money. It's starting on 17,000 and the first one is on 47,000, and this is not the mountain money, this is only per day. So if you would like to scale 5K per month, it's very easy. You can just have your course for $50, 100 customers, and you are easy on 5K. All right, so if you would like to be a creator on Whop, you can make a course, ebook, or done for you product. What is a course? You can make a course about e-commerce, YouTube, editing, crypto, otherwise. But the mostly, I will recommend you focus on editing, because YouTube is very hard. You must to learn what is the algorithm on the YouTube. You must to pick the niche, and the YouTube is the long way how to learn and how to make money on the YouTube. Also, I don't recommend the e-commerce a lot, because you must to find a winning product and you must to invest in the e-commerce. But from the courses, I would like to recommend you editing, because it's very easy. You just need to have a CapCut, and then there is a bunch of videos on the YouTube, many tutorials, everything is for free, and you can easily learn it in a month and make 5K very easy. All right, about the ebook, I'm not gatekeeping informations. So ebook you can create easily on Canva. You can make an ebook about traveling or self-improvement, and this stuff you can easily find it on TikTok, YouTube, everywhere, on Facebook. It doesn't matter, because there is a lot of people who is sharing free traveling experience, and you can just put it in the ebook, make ebook for $40-50, and you can make it a grand. Then there is the done for you products. It's very powerful, because people think it will help them very fast, but honestly in the life there is no shortcuts. But done for you product, it looks is a shortcut, because people think there is a fitness plan for them, only for them, but it's mostly for everyone, and they think it will help them in the 14 days, they will be slim, not the fatty. But done for product is very powerful. But today I would like to talk about the editing. So only what you need is a CapCut, and I would like to show you everything what is here in the CapCut. So the first, when you're gonna open the CapCut, you don't know what to do. And in this video, I would like to show you some basic stuff on the CapCut. So you just import some media, voiceovers, everything, photos. Then you will just put it on the drag line. I just will show these two samples. All right, this is the full video. All right, we're gonna pull it on the start. What you can do, there is audio, there is a text, stickers, effects, transition, captions, and filters. You can start with the text. You can see some footballer from the Europe, like Manchester United, is it? Yeah. You can just type United Legend. You can change the font, put it over his head, and then what I can recommend you, because you can see the first photo is ending somewhere over there, so the text you must cut it here, because in this part we don't need to this text. So then we're gonna just delete it, and then the text is over there. What I would like to recommend you is to put some animations, and what I like is the typing cursor set up on 3 seconds. It looks like this. I'm gonna drag it more, because I would like to show you like for 7 seconds, but mostly keep it for 3 seconds. You can see there is the animation of it. Then we will go to audio, because animation for the text and also animations like sound effects, it's very powerful to use it together. So there is a realistic sound effect for typing on keyboard. Yeah, you hear it. You will just easily drag it to the line, and we can see effect is ending over there. So we will cut it let's say here, and this one we're gonna just delete. So that's it. Then I would like to show you some transitions also. I would like to show you some stickers and effects. There's some basic stickers if you would like to more focus on his head. It's over there, but in this video I don't want to show you the stickers and also effects, but I would like to also show you the transitions. You can use, let's say, center and large. You will just put it in the middle of the first photo and the second photo, so it's over there. Create duplicate frames. All right, then we're gonna press, and it's only for 1 second because the audio is only 10 seconds, so we're just gonna raise it for more. Okay, now it's 17 seconds, so now it's 40 seconds, so now I can easily help you and to see the animation. Okay, so center and large. Okay, now we can set up on 5 seconds, but it's a lot, so you'll keep it on 4 seconds, and I will show you how the transition looks like. There is it. Okay, so look properly on the video. You can see, so this is the transitions. All right. Also, if you're doing some voiceovers, cut the dead spaces, and the dead spaces, it looks like this. There is a dead space, so you will just do like this, and also just press the auto snapping. Yeah, it will snap. That's a very important if you're making shorts or something. If you talk for people, cut the dead space. All right. Also, CapCut, it can generate captions from this video. It's very powerful, but there is no caption, so it's maybe not gonna generate nothing. Maybe, no, yeah, speech recognizes. So there is only, because these 4 bars they are singing, so I have to find this one. All right, but I'm gonna delete it. All right. So in this video, it's everything from the editing, and this is how you can create your first video about the editing school. Then you just put it on the Whop and you are making your end. This is everything from this video. If you like it, subscribe, and see you in the next video.